Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really cool to show you. It's the latest working mod for Battle Cats that runs perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. If you play Battle Cats, you definitely don't want to miss this. Make sure to stick around to the end so you don't miss how this mod actually works. And if you're new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any future updates or mods I'll be showing. So in this modded version of Battle Cats, there's a special menu you can access by tapping the gear icon. That opens the mod menu, and from there you can unlock a bunch of features. The main one, you can get unlimited cat food added right into your account. And yeah, it works. You'll see that in just a second. There are also other features packed into this mod, but the unlimited cat food is definitely the highlight. To make this work smoothly, you'll need the latest version of Battle Cats installed. Without that, the mod won't load properly. I also pinned a comment below where I explain everything, including where you can check out the Battle Cats mod for yourself. It's all there, so take a look if you want to try it out. If this mod works for you, drop a comment and let me know. I'd love to hear how it's going for you, and again, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. More cool stuff is on the way. Thanks for watching, and remember you can get this mod on ogappbox.com.